It removes phlegm from the lungs and relieves dry cough, bronchitis, sinusitis, and sore throat. This is the powerful natural drink that pharmacies don't want you to know about. To make it, you'll need 1 chopped red onion, 1 lemon with peel cut into pieces, a peeled piece of ginger, sliced, 3 peeled and chopped garlic cloves, 2 cinnamon sticks, 2 cups of water. Place everything in a pot, cover it, and let it boil for 13 minutes. While it boils, tell me in the comments if you have low immunity or a recurring cough. Once ready, strain it, pour it into a cup, and add 1 tablespoon of honey for sweetness. You can drink it twice a day for 1 week. Stop taking it once you feel better.